Which YouTube TV setup requires a remote? YouTube TV itself is an app-based streaming service and does not inherently require a remote for operation. However, whether you need a remote depends on the device you are using to access YouTube TV. Here's a breakdown. 1. Devices that require a remote. Some devices for accessing YouTube TV typically require a remote for navigation. Smart TVs, built-in YouTube TV apps on brands like Samsung, LG, and Vizio. Smart TVs are operated using the TV remote. Streaming devices like Roku, Amazon Firestick, Apple TV, and Google Chromecast with Google TV come with their own remotes to control YouTube TV. Gaming consoles. YouTube TV apps on PlayStation and Xbox can also be navigated using the console controller or a compatible remote. 2. Devices that don't require a remote. Some devices allow you to control YouTube TV without a traditional remote. Mobile devices. You can stream YouTube TV via the app on smartphones and tablets using touch navigation. Web browsers. On laptops or desktop computers, YouTube TV is accessed through a web browser, navigated using a mouse and keyboard. Smartphone remote apps. Many streaming devices like Roku and Fire TV allow you to use a smartphone app as a remote. Third, alternatives to traditional remotes. If you prefer not to use a traditional remote, consider these options. Voice control. Devices like Google Chromecast with Google TV or Amazon Fire Stick allow voice commands through Google Assistant or Alexa. Universal remote apps. Install a universal remote app on your smartphone for greater flexibility.